In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your Google Calendar to your Facebook page. This is an incredibly useful tool for anyone looking to streamline their scheduling and keep both you and your audience on the same page. So let's dive into it. First, you'll want to log into your Facebook account and navigate to your Facebook page. This is where the magic will happen. Once you're on your page, look for the three dots, which are usually located close to the right-hand side of your cover photo. Clicking on these dots will open a menu of options that you might not have explored yet. It's like unveiling a treasure trove of settings and tools that can really amp up your page management. Now, once you've clicked the three dots, find and select the Edit Action button option. This is the gateway to customizing how people interact with your page. It's an important feature that can be easily overlooked, but right now, it's going to be our main focus. So just go ahead and click on it. After you've clicked the Edit Action button, the next thing you'll see is a button labeled Change Button. This option will allow us to set up and tweak what that button actually does when people visit your page. By selecting Change Button, we're getting closer to linking up our Google Calendar. With the Change Button menu open, you'll next need to select Next. This step might seem rather trivial, but it's crucial to keep the process moving. Think of it as stepping stones leading you across the digital pond to your destination. Following that, you'll see an option to connect another tool. Here's where we truly bridge the gap between your Google Calendar and Facebook page. Click on this option to proceed. We're almost at the end of our journey. Now comes the exciting part. You should see a list of tools you can connect with. Scroll through the list or use the search function to find Google Calendar. The list is comprehensive, but we're laser focused on bringing that Google Calendar functionality to your Facebook page so your visitors can easily see your schedule and upcoming events. Once you spot Google Calendar, select it to finalize the connection. By doing this, you've effectively integrated your Google Calendar with your Facebook page, making it so much easier to share your schedule with your audience. That's all it takes to connect your Google Calendar to your Facebook page. This integration can keep you organized, automate your scheduling, and enhance communication with those who follow or interact with your page. Thanks for following along, and with this newfound capability, I hope managing your events becomes a little bit smoother and more connected. Stay tuned for more helpful tips and tutorials.